Eres una verga en tu trabajo, güey. Me han dicho que tú eres una verga en el trabajo. They've told me that you're a badass here at work. Hola compadres, I'm Profe Levi. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to take the Mexican Spanish word for dick, insert it into a sentence, and allow you to express that you think something is really cool and really badass. Before diving into this video, I just like to mention that I like to take requests. If you have a request for a future lesson, drop it down in the comments below. Make sure to check out my Instagram and my podcast if you haven't already done so. Links in the description, check it out. Anyways, let's dive into today's lesson. Today's key word is verga. Verga is penis, but it really means like dick in Mexican Spanish. In today's video, I'm just gonna cover the positives. The positive ways to use verga to say that you like something. It's cool, it's great. But there is a whole plethora of negatives with the word verga that I'll cover in the part 2 video of this lesson. I like to keep things super simple, direct, focused. I don't want to spread things out too much. I want you guys to finish these videos and actually be able to digest it, start understanding it, maybe start using it if you're feeling a little risque. And anyways, let's dive in. Like I said, verga is literally penis. Somehow, somewhere down the line, Mexicans took it and they transformed it into either meaning something is great or something is terrible. Estar verga. Estar is to be, verga, or you can insert bien if you want to make it even better. Estar bien verga can express that something is cool, incredible. Está verga. Está bien verga tu carro. Está bien verga tu carro. Está bien verga tu camioneta. Your car's badass. Your truck is badass. Tú eres la verga. Tú eres la verga. You are badass. Tú eres la verga, güey. Tú eres la verga. Okay? Está bien verga tu carro. That's what I said a second ago. Está bien verga tu carro. Or, this is the verb ser. Or, you can use the verb estar. This is more temporary. This is more permanent. I could say to you as well, eres una verga for something. So if you're really good at sports, I could say, eres una verga para los deportes, güey. You're a badass at sports, man. Eres una verga para el español. You're badass at Spanish. You're incredible at Spanish. Eres una verga para el español. Eres una verga en tu trabajo, güey. Me han dicho que tú eres una verga en el trabajo. They've told me that you're a badass here at work. So keep in mind, guys, verga can also be negative, and we're gonna cover that in a future video. I don't like confusing. I want you guys to actually take even a small chunk of information away and be able to digest it, look up some other examples of this, listen for other examples of this in music, podcast, film, etc., etc. But verga, literally penis, and it can also be these positives, okay? Estar verga, eres una or la verga, okay? Keep this in mind, guys. You're gonna go very far if you keep watching Profe Levi's Spanish lessons. And again, make sure to drop a comment down below or a request down below. If you wanna know more about a particular topic, I'm happy to elaborate, to dive in. Make sure to check out my podcast. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. That's all I have for today's very focused little lesson. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Adiós.